Hey, what's up, you guys? All right, so today we're gonna dive into my appointment setting script. I give this to my clients. This script is carefully crafted to dive into every little part of setting an appointment, making sure that all the decision makers are there, and making sure that you ask the appropriate questions and show you how to schedule an appointment and maximize every single lead. This is specifically crafted for inbound leads. So you're paying money, for paid traffic to get leads to say, hey, I'm interested. Here's my name, phone number, and email address. Call me, schedule an appointment. I'm going to show you how you can use it, how your salespeople could use it, how your front office could use it, and why it's so important. Now, there's going to be 3 parts to the script. Number 1, the greeting. All right, that's just going over, hey, this is so-and-so. What are you looking to accomplish? Number 2, what are you looking to accomplish? And what questions you should ask to make sure that your salespeople, if they're not the ones following up with the leads, have as much information as possible to be prepared for when they actually show up for the appointment. And then number 3, I'm going to show you exactly what to say and make sure that all decision makers are at the appointment, at the actual estimate itself, to make sure that you're not wasting their time, you're not wasting your time, because the most terrible thing that possibly happens is when you show up to an appointment and you realize you spend an hour, you spend 2 hours, you give them a proposal, you give them an estimate. Oh, I've got to talk to my wife about it. Oh, my husband's not here. I have to talk to my husband about it. What if I show you the exact words that you can use to make sure that all the decision makers that need to be there will be there, and how to actually go about accomplishing that? Now, let's go ahead and jump into this really quick. The script itself, I'm going to tear it down, walk you through it, and then read it by itself so you can have an actual idea of what exactly it is. You can, in the description below, there's a link to where you can go ahead and download it, serbanenterprises.com. The link is right down below, and you'll be able to actually download it itself. Like always, if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. That keeps me motivated to keep making fantastic content for you guys, and keeps me pumped doing it. So let's go ahead and jump into the script. Hi, this is John with XYZ Company. You requested an estimate for, let's say in this situation, house painting. Is this a good time? Do you have 5 minutes to schedule an appointment? You always want to ask for, hey, is this a good time? Who knows? They might have just given you their information, but they might be in the middle of something else. And you want to make sure that you have that time frame with the people, that you can actually go forward and you're not bugging them at that moment in time. If they say yes, go ahead and continue with the rest of the script. No. If they say no, okay, perfect. What's the best time for me to follow up with a phone call? So go ahead and take that time down, then follow up. Okay, great. What are you looking to accomplish? Okay, I want to paint my house. Okay, how big's your house? How many doors, how many windows? What exactly are you looking to protect, paint? What are you looking to accomplish exactly? Then this is where you take detailed notes. Make sure you put it in the CRM so the salespeople can have a rough idea of what they're showing up for and what pain points to address when they're on the appointment. Okay, anything else we should know about your home? What time works best for your schedule, mornings or afternoons? Okay, 1 or 2. Change the time accordingly, obviously, for whatever they say. Okay, so our sales professional will be coming out with samples and brochures to measure and go over the best products to help protect your home, for you to make the most informed decision and to be able to ask all your questions. Are you the only decision maker that needs to be at the appointment? Repeat after me. Are you the only decision maker that needs to be at the appointment? If yes, go ahead and continue. If no, okay, perfect. What time should we make an appointment to make sure that both of you can be there? Let me repeat that one more time because this is gold. Okay, what time should we make the appointment to make sure that both of you can be there? Oh, my wife doesn't get home till after 6 o'clock, so 1 or 2 won't work. Let's go ahead and schedule it after 6. Oh, my husband's home on the weekends. Okay, let's go ahead and make sure that we schedule the appointment for the weekend so we don't waste people's time. Obviously, you're not telling them this, but you want to make sure that your salespeople's time's valuable, your time's valuable, and also the customer's time. It's the worst thing when you actually give somebody an estimate, and when they relay it to the second party, to their partner, to their spouse, to their kid, whoever it is, their business partner, the information doesn't get translated the way you would. They put their spin on it and you get confusion, and you're not doing yourself, your product, your company, and even your customers justice at that point, because you've believed so much in your own product. You know that it's ethical, and you're providing such a fantastic service that if they're not buying from you, they're going to get an inferior product from somewhere else. So, okay, perfect. What time should we make an appointment to make sure both of you can be there? That is gold. Make sure you use that. Perfect. So just to confirm, Saturday at blank time at, always repeat the address to make sure you have the right address. Okay, so Bob, the salesperson, will be coming out that day. This is his or her cell phone number. Always give the salesperson's cell phone number. Also, I'll be emailing out a pre-appointment package to you with some information you can review. Now, I'm going to have another video coming out later this week about the pre-appointment package. Why is this so important? People have already shown interest. They're saying, hey, I want an estimate. Let's go ahead and schedule it. But what can you do with the pre-appointment package? A pre-appointment package gets them excited. So by the time you actually show up to their home, they're pre-sold on your product, on your services. Not 100%, but you raise the value, that you raise their interest level. So a pre-appointment package, it doesn't have to be huge. It could be a simple email that gets sent out with like, hey, this is our mission statement. These are a couple of the projects that we've accomplished. These are some testimonials. Check us out. You just want to whet their beak, whet their appetite a little bit, get them excited about meeting with you and excited about your product so they can start imagining it on their own home. Now, just to confirm that email, repeat the email. Is this still the best email to use? That's clutch, because a lot of people, when they put their email into these online landing pages, they don't always give you their primary email. I'm guilty of it. You might be guilty of it yourself. I've got a spam email that I never check, that I put in to sign up for things online because I know I'm going to get a million emails from it. I never check it. Let's just go ahead and use that one. So if they did that to you and you end up using that bad email to send them all this information, it's just getting lost in translation. Always double check the data, double check the email address, phone number, and an actual home address. It's something that doesn't cost you a penny, but it'll save you a lot of heartache in the long run. Perfect. Thank you for your time. Talk soon. That is the simple, direct, to the point appointment setting script that gets the job done. I'm going to run through it really quick. It's literally 30 seconds to a minute. That's all you need to do to make sure that you maximize every single dollar that you spend in paid traffic. Hey, this is John with XYZ Company. You requested an estimate for house painting. Is this a good time? Do you have 5 minutes to schedule an appointment? Yes, continue, no? Okay, perfect. What's the best time for me to follow up with the phone call? Great. What are you looking to accomplish? I want XYZ. How many openings are you looking to protect? Okay, take notes. Anything else we should know about your home? What time works best for your schedule? Mornings or afternoons? Okay, 1 or 2, change the times accordingly, obviously. Okay, so our sales professional will be coming out with samples and brochures to measure and go over the best products to help protect your home. For you to make the most informed decision and to be able to ask all your questions. Are you the only decision maker that needs to be at the appointment? If yes, continue. If no, okay, perfect. What time should we make an appointment to make sure that both of you can be there? Perfect. So just to confirm, Saturday at so-and-so time at 123 Wild Oak address. Bob, the salesperson, will be coming out that day. Here's his or her salesperson cell phone number. Also, I'll be emailing out a pre-appointment package to you with some information you can review. Just want to confirm that so-and-so email is still the best to use. Perfect. Thank you for your time. Talk soon. That is literally all you need to set appointments, make sure the decision makers are there, and to maximize every single dollar in ad spend. And make sure that your salespeople are happy, you're happy, and your customers are happy. Now, serbanenterprise.com/appointment setting script. The link is in the bio below. Please, if you got any value out of this, please hit the like button, comment, let me know what you thought about it. Hit the subscribe button. I look forward to making as many of these videos, helping you with some of the things that we run in our agency every single day, and we help our clients out there. I want to put these packages, these videos together for you guys to give you as many resources out there to help small businesses, big businesses, businesses in general make more money and just market their businesses at a higher level and grow their brand at the end of the day. So thank you so much. Talk soon.